Hello students, before I announce my new course, I want to thank from core of my heart to all my member students for showering love and blessings. I have just posted a new course on Udemy platform on the occasion of Guru Purnima. The title of the course is Gann Square of 9 Stock Trading Technical Analysis New Course. WD Gann Static and Dynamic Square of 9 Formation and Application with Real-Time Examples and Case Studies. New and fresh course. Buy only this course when the price is near to 500 rupees. Udemy platform comes out with sale price almost every week. So wait till they announce the lower price and go and strike and get the access to the course, which is available for lifetime. What the contents are: formation and interpretation of square of 9, Excel based square of 9 chart, static and dynamic square of 9, price to degree conversion formula, concept of vibrating degrees, analyzing recent top and bottoms, application in range bound and trending markets, real-time case study, structure of square of 52, which is very useful in positional trading strategies. But one advice from my side: stock trading is a mind game, and patience and disciplines are the real edge. Understand the importance of capital management and psychological discipline. Have questions? You are encouraged to reach out anytime during the course. I will be glad to assist and support your learning journey. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students.